Introducing our Norwex microfiber body cloth. These can be purchased as a 3-pack and have multiple color variety options available. They are our famous microfiber and contain the BacLock technology, which works to self-purify in between uses. Hi guys, Rochelle here, the Norwex consultant for tomorrow's party. I wanted to do a quick video because there was a request to have a video of my face routine done. Thank you, Janelle. So I wanted to show you guys quickly. All I have is one product that I use of Norwex, and it is our body cloth. So body cloths can be used from head to toe. This one I use specifically for my face, and if I were to wear a foundation or something, then previously I did use makeup remover to take that off, which has so many, after doing my research, it has so many harmful things in it that I was completely unaware of. So now I just use water with my body cloth, and it is great. And my face has, honestly, I used to break out pretty bad, through puberty, but also well into my 20s, and now in my early 30s, but it honestly has helped so much. I also had some issues right immediately after having a baby last year, and I had kind of stopped with my normal routine. Things were a bit different and wasn't focusing on me as much. So I really noticed a difference when I stopped using my cloth in the breakouts that I was having. So I love my cloth so much. So quickly, what I'm going to do is I got this little trial size thing in something I bought from Shoppers, and looks like I'm not planning on using it. So I'm literally going to draw on my face. It says that it's Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Not sure how this is going to turn out, so we're going to do it on video. And then I'm just going to literally throw some foundation on my face. This is not meant to be actual makeup that I am wearing. It's just meant for the demonstration. All right, so I got that on. I'm gonna throw, again, for demonstration's sake. Oh, might as well rub that in there too. Lots of sparkle. This is the fun part. Oh gosh. Okay, I'll put a little star on there. I'll try this way. Okay, so again, this is just for demonstration's sake. I have no idea how this, I've never used this stuff on my face before, so the black. So we're gonna see how this works out. So I'm back. I'm so sorry my phone died for a second there, but you guys won't know anyways because this is all gonna be mashed together as a video. So this has now had a chance to sit for at least 10 minutes. I left my phone plugged in. So I am taking, as a recap, taking my body cloth, and I'm using only hot water. I actually use very, very hot, as hot as I can handle, wringing it out on my cloth, and that's it. That's all you need. You don't need anything else. I have never put this stuff on my face and attempted to take it off. As I said before, it says it's Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, so we'll see. And I wanted to also say, you don't need to use, often people are using a cleanser when they're washing their face. I was talking about how this has helped with acne. I do not use a cleanser at all. So it's amazing to me that with just hot water and my body cloth, I am able to remove anything I need and clean my pores out. So I just put this over my face and hold it. Okay, so that's one wipe. My forehead one, I held the longest. It was already gone. 2 wipes. Two wipes on each spot, and the black is off, which is awesome. I'm actually just going to do one more just because I like to really kind of clean out my pores, so I'm going to hold it on one more time. And that's it, guys. Afterwards, at most, I'll apply a cream because I do get dry skin often in the wintertime, and you know, I'm getting older. So anyways, that's the most that I'll do afterwards. I'll put on a cream, but otherwise, this cloth is amazing and has saved me so much in cleansers and like makeup remover. So thanks for watching.